Okay, so I wanted to give myself a shot at trying to make a video game. I've done so much stuff recently in 2020 and 2021. I figured I'd give Game Maker a shot and try to make a video game. So I made a Asteroid-style game following a tutorial, and this is kind of what I've come up with recently. It's buffering now, but you can actually see what I've been working on. So yes, I'm actually controlling this now. I've got to go back through and see it's not shooting. But like I said, this is actually one of my recent creations. So this is Jermaine in 2021. Crap. Well, anyway, like I was saying, this is something I recently put together. So I hope you like it, and we'll see what I'll be doing with the rest of 2022.